Yeah! Ciao!
Got a view, you see. What a view. Look over this, sir. So I go rise out and rise out and start take a picture of me. So I go leave out of the Airbnb, you know.
Alright, bye.
Night 2. I say I take jump in at the one there.
What's my yard,
Yeah, big up yourself. How are you, man? They say them say I keep it and live over this. So the fireman, more fire. Where am I go? Where am I go? 3 people in gate I go. Boy, I see. I see the airport they down there, sir. That's Ian Fleming's airport right there. So everything is in close proximity. 20 minutes drive from out of Ochi. Anyway, it's just a big up Fiona, you know. Yeah. Nice spot, man. Going on next run through again. Gonna see the pre. See it there? You know them are from England, so you get an England vibe. You know? Big home settings, I'm sure you downstairs look like. But that is it, that is it. What if our rooms them have here, so on the stairs. Yes, nice one. Can I look on the back quick, very quick? Yeah. Okay. So you see I've run a back, so they have a pool around there, but the pool is still under construction. Whole heap of space there around there, man. You know. Yeah, that is it. Whole heap of hill view. Oh, I just saw it. Oh. Yeah, I saw it from the. Alright.
Walk down to this side here.
Good place. Nice. This is nice, man. Well, I left the key in the
In the door.
in the door, yes. Thank you very much again. Alright. Right, so once I'm in this area, and I have your number too, so
Anytime.
how do I open the grill?
Okay, it's just a pull open thing.
Oh, okay. Raja, I hear you. So yeah, we're there outside in the morning. Janu, we just pull up to get some breakfast before we go to the river. Yes, so Raja there see Satisfaction barbecue. So I go grab some food, you know what I'm saying? So I walk the town at Old Chariot. This is the great clock. Town busy a long time when I walk through Ochi town, you know. Famous Ocho Rios. I try to find one juicy patty right now. Road well busy. Yeah, I have to do it, man. I say one juicy beef there over here, so I'm gonna see. What part over here so that day? I'm gonna see it over here. You see there in the town. I was in the Ochi town, you know? Place busy, man. Out of hot. And I like Manchester where you full up and sitting there, man. You call it? So I pull up first time at Duns River. You know what I say? I have a good little driving to go. I like the driveway so far. Lot of palm trees, properly manicured. You know what I say? The landscape is nice. Yeah.
Your mom.
Bus, you freak me up with that wiper. Canadian boy. nice. Like I have a big football field too. No? Kinda. Okay. I have to go straight around. Bust them park out there, so. Security lady this time, man. Yes, sir, you ready for your trip?
Yeah, man.
Mad.
I was ready.
First time out here.
ID, condom, everything ready for the girl.
ID and everything, young boy. Have suns feel nice, see? Outside, man. I thought my duck, the skin is glowing. Jesus. That boy in the place feel nice. So only for people go swim already. So I leave here, so you have a watch. I leave us around 2 o'clock, bro. It's almost 12. We can do 2 hours so we can catch. So you want to go do snorkeling, right?
Yep.
So we can catch that one. Okay. So I have to have a come on. No, think so. No, I have to the shower there.
Wanna buy some restaurant? Alright.
I want to send back something for Maddie.
Yeah.
I want to buy him at least a bracelet or something, you know what I say? Yeah.
Marty, Waterhouse.
Maddie from Waterhouse. Over here look nice, man. People them set up the thing for the tourists, them, you know?
Starbucks here. Eh?
Bro, where can I people in pipe for?
Make sure it works, you know.
Adults 25. Jamaican 1,000 resident rate.
Oh, so I have to pay 1,000 Jamaican dollars, yeah, man.
That's me.
That's me.
You have to pay 25.
Just stealing.
Me.
Yo.
The fuel out of $25.
And then you told you, well, it's an honorary Jamaican, so just tell them that and they give you the $1,000 rate. Is it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Because everybody on YouTube here pass it as an honorary Jamaican, you know.
Yardman style.
Yeah.
First, my baby girl there.
Come Roger, come look for my heroes, you. So these are the people who make it possible for you to come and enjoy the sweet, sweet Jamaica. You see what I say? 7 heroes, 6 heroes, 1 heroine. So all of these people are on the money. You see what I say?
Mm-hmm. I'll be in the money soon, yeah?
This is the greatest of them all.
Oh, yeah.
Marcus Garvey. In my opinion, my humble opinion, that is. Yeah. And then you have the Aki, then you have the breadfruit.
Founded United.
Yeah, man, after the
United Improvement Association.
don't say that word, fight you.
Yeah.
Joke, man, you can say
I say that, man.
Negro, it's Negro. You can say Negro. You can say Negro.
No, we can say that too.
Negro, you can say that. Alright, that is it, my boy.
Back home say it, meaning it's black.
Mm-hmm. Well, you say payment methods. Me like that.
Jamaican money,
Yeah, man.
2.5. Here for 2.
Stay there, buddy. You like it?
Alright, give it for 2. I will come back.
Yeah. You get for 2, I'll come back right now.
Check your budget, you. Huh? Have a mirror? So Raja get himself a yard, man. That one fit better. The next one kind of look like a pimp. This is like a everyday wear. Make sure you fix it up here, you. Yeah, man. I see you have on his shoes.
Okay.
Fully Jamaican boy, you know.
Yeah, man. Good?
Get that. You have a little smaller one?
No, go.
Smaller than that?
Yeah.
One.
Guys, if you have your chain them and feel like a smaller one that look better. Unless you go wear it when you now wear your chain like an everyday thing. Because you don't wear your chain them every day when you do work, right? Whereas you can wear that every day. Get a shorter one, bro. It will fit you better. Yeah. Get a shorter one. You know me now make you look like Papi Show.
1,000.
Why I see? Rasta man, where are you
Yeah! Ciao!
I take a picture, man. How are you, man? This brother I see.
Well, go on, me general. Yeah, good? Yeah, man, manners.
Turn up the man and stop moving your blouse and skirt. Stop moving your come on, Bob Marley.
About the time.
Stop moving my yacht.
Video must sing.
Me have video in pan one, but yeah. Hold on, you. Let me catch one when you're fully Jamaican now.
Rastafari.
Wait, don't move. That's a good shot, my boy.
Oh, the bar one of the shot, man. Come on, bro.
Well, check
Bob Marley shirt too.
check your budget and then
I'm gonna
today
take a
last
budget
day,
when
you
I
know?
come back. Then
Yeah, we have to pass back here, right?
Give you a good
You have to pass back here?
Yeah.
Let me take one with you now. That look good.
What?
That hat looks good, man.
What's it is, bro? Show them mama thing.
Yeah.
So we can. All the tourists who come here, you know.
Yeah, man. Looks style is very nice. Don't move you right like that.
Body. Right, mommy.
Yo, this looks clean.
Let me see it.
Yeah, man. This looks.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
He pick up his shop, man. Yeah. It look good.
Yeah, man. And they have on the shoes, the hat. Yeah, you have the right color coordination suit. So tell me your name, mommy.
My name is Miss Lorna.
Miss Lorna out in Duns River, and you're this. Once you come underneath the Welcome to Duns River sign.
Over by the craft mark. We only over here for the day. My shop is 5.
Oh, where exactly is your shop?
Over by the craft market.
Okay.
But we only out here for today.
Okay, so you come out here once a week.
Once a month.
So how can people contact you if they want anything? Because the personality
Shop
is very
number
nice.
5 in the craft market.
Okay.
Miss Lorna.
Okay, nice.
Yes.
Miss Lorna take care of a nice one and she have some
Yeah,
beautiful things, you know?
And we give a good price.
Yes, can't complain about that.
Yes.
For real. Things look nice, man. Thank you very much again, yeah?
Alright.
Alright. Yeah, man. So check out Miss Lorna. Shop number 5 in the craft market. Yeah. Nice.
Good, eh?
Let me see, turn around. Turn around, see? Jamaica, no problem. Yes, man.
Problem.
Yeah, man.
So someone complain in a restaurant, I'm gonna wear this. Here, bad for you, sir.
Boy,
Have to
that
deal
is-
with the complaints, you see?
yeah, no problem. There you go.
I'll take this too.
You're decked out, my guy. Yeah. Well, look, Jamaican boy. Yes, sir. I can't swim, but I'm gonna chance it. Wow, it's pretty, man. What you say, Raja? Ready? Yeah?
Like the view.
I like the view. All right, sir. Alright, so I get a case for the phone because I don't know any time I fall, I want to protect the phone. If you do your phone is waterproof, Roger, eh? So I use one phone for the purpose actually. When I want to drop it and fast, because it's done. You can find it back again.
Then find the back and then stop them.
So the main road is up there, we just went underneath. Yeah, it's longer than the other one, eh? It's a longer walk though. Bamboo them. I'll go to the lunch, yeah? Push back to here. Come. No, go on. No man, go on. I want to lay upstairs, up top. Go on. Now we ever. Go! No outside. I'm not a swimmer, but I'm out here, you know? Yeah man, it's a good look. We are halfway up the falls. Made it, bro. Made it to the top. Come in, you. Slippery. Made it to the top. Where are you? Alright. We're gonna head back down the falls now. Yes, so the sitting starting. Come on, Casario. Come on, sir. Quick, get me that. Let's take off the for the thing. Made it. Up top. Going back down. We're going back down. Yo. Alright, I'm not gonna stop here because it's a far way down. So, bro, what? Alright, we just done the Duns River Falls tour. Where is it? Come in, yo. I'm going to tell the people more about it. Come in, man. We finish all the things. Roger, yourself. So, where is it, you? No matter with that, man. I'm just man. Where is it? You enjoy the tour?
Yeah, fun. We're going. Next one,
Next one, we're going to go to snorkeling. Yeah. So catch us in that vlog. Look up on yourself, no fluff for the love, you know the vibe, you see me? So upon exiting, you're going to find that there's a craft market, you know what I say? When you exit over here, look nice man. And then you have some food stand. They serve up some local foods here. You see it? So that's for the exit, and we're just gonna check in.
Is it like a
the disrespect. This is my flag, I guess.
So people in your food, is it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Thing look good. So pull up a Puerto Rico, you know?
I'll go on the general.
Oh, sorry. Adrian. Morris. Respect. You good to go? Alright, manners. Yeah, we'll park the general. To the right. Oh. We're going to come like a hotel, man. So we're outside, you know. Puerto Rico is the next stop. So we are gonna go over there for the first time. Alright, most of the place are my first time, you know, so we're outside. Yeah, we'll see what I'm going. Show now to go along.
Wow.
Alright, so let me see the mermaid. So it's giving a, like a hotel vibe, you know what I say? Yeah, I get like a hotel vibe over here. But it's just a beach. So I'm here editing the video, almost finished, and just want to insert this clip real quick to say big up yourself. Thank you very much for watching the video. We did went to Puerto Rico Beach. We wanted to do snorkeling for Raja, but they did not have it available that day, so we just ended up leaving. Went to KFC, got some chicken, and then we went home. So that was basically it for the night. So if you like the video, you know, leave a comment. You know what I say? Raja fly out tomorrow, so look out for that video of his review of Jamaica, as well as the next video when we take him to the airport. So that is it. Big up yourself. Thank you very much for being along the journey. You know what I say? And I know that you're getting this video late after Christmas, so I do have a few vlogs to come out for like Grand Market and stuff like that. You see me, so stay tuned for those as well. You're getting these videos a little bit later because of internet issues on my side. But all in all, man, all days were just epic. You see me? So big up on yourself. See you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Here.